Hey, guess what? We have another product unboxing and review. I am super excited about this particular product because it was handmade, and this lady's work, let me tell you, what I have seen on her Instagram page, yes, you guys have to check her out. So you will see why I'm excited about this. So, yes. Look at that. All right, I'm going to put the contact information all up and throughout this video. It'll also be in the description box. So, Triumphant bracelets. Let's get to it. Triumphant bracelets. Okay, so let me give you a little backstory. So I've been eyeballing these bracelets for a while, okay? There were some designs that I really liked, but like for instance, I don't have a Apple Watch. So I had to talk to her and let her know, I really like this style, but I would need, some customization done. She was so awesome about the customizations. Like, she made sure, she double checked, she asked what kinds of charms I wanted. So anybody who knows me knows I'm about my accessories. I love my accessories. So to be able to add these custom pieces to my collection, I'm stoked about it. Okay, let me stop talking. Let's get to this. All right, so bracelets came. So here's the first one. So pretty. These are so pretty. Comes in like a nice. So I'll be storing them. So if you check out her IG page, you will see there are so many different themes. There are Greek themes like her Delta, Sigma Rho, aka even Omega Psi Phi, Kappa Kappa Psi Phi, Beta Sigma, all of them. Everybody, check her out. Support. Look at this. Look at that. Is that not a beautiful bracelet? And then I believe these are magnetic. So yeah, they stick together. Like you guys can see that. Those are magnetic, so I can actually wear these together, stand up, or as single bracelets. All right, so this says "Living My Best Life." Yes, I am. Yes, I am. And it's a lady on there with her hair like that. I don't know if you guys can see that. Just fabulous. So I really, really, really like these pieces. All right, so let's see what else we have in here. What is this? Be the Light. Yes. Charms is on point. Look at that. I don't even think I want to take that off, but I gotta make room. I'm put them on this side. Yes. So I got my black. Look at that. And my red. All right. Let's see what else. Other goodies I have in here. All right. It's my second bag. Now this one I think is that one. One of them. It's one of them. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This one is a 4. I think it's like 4. 1, 2, 5. 5 total. This was another conversion from the Apple watch band into a bracelet. It is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Those pretty charms. Got a tree of life on there. A heart. An owl. An owl. Good one. I have a key on here. Got my heart. Love, teach, inspire. Great gifts for educators. Excellent gifts. Follow your bliss. And an apple. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at this. Can't nobody tell me nothing with that on. Some people, it's a lot. For some people, it's perfect for me. Look at that. Look at that bracelet. Is that not a beautiful bracelet? And this was a conversion. Yeah, this was a custom conversion because I do not do the Apple Watches and that kind of thing. So, yeah. Oh, man. I cannot wait to sport this. That's gorgeous. Silver. That's silver. Charms. That. Make sure y'all support. So again, if you have religious beliefs, you get religious ones. You can get them for kids, unisex, men and women. These are great gifts for educators. Absolutely beautiful. Well, I'm gonna put this one up. That's my baby right there. Oh, okay, let's wear this. All right, no, we're not done yet. There's more in there. All right, so there's this one, another black and gold. Look at that, so pretty. Isn't that pretty? So it has a gold bar with the stones in there. See, it's absolutely beautiful. Love it. These are gorgeous. So you can dress these up or down. That's what's so cool about this style of bead and these designs. You can dress these up or down depending on your mood. Yes. All right. There's one here. All right. Yay, got me my card. So reach out to Taryn Temple, and that's IG at Triumphant Creationz. I will make sure I put that below. Also at Etsy, Triumphant Bracelet Company, or CO, Triumphant Bracelet CO. The Facebook lookup would be at Triumphant Creationz. All right. So I'm going to put all her wonderful information down below. Look at that card. So I'm going to put all the information so you guys can order your custom bracelets. I'm going to put that information as well. All right. So this one, blue, is a gift for a family member. Yes, yes, yes. So isn't that beautiful? It's black. And you have your Egyptian pharaoh head there. Totally masculine piece right there. Absolutely gorgeous. Yep. So that's gonna be a gift for a male family member. And all right, 2 more. This is one of my absolute favorite stones. This is one of my absolute favorite stones. I have lots of onyx jewelry, so to add this to the collection is dope because I have matching earrings. I have lots of pieces that will go with this. And it says, I love softball. Yeah, I did actually play softball. So there is that beauty. It's the onyx piece. So if you play any sports, good gifts for teenagers. Teenagers will love these. Basketball, yes. Tennis, volleyball, softball, cross country. Oh yeah, these make great gifts for high school and college students as well. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And they're durable, stretchy, easy to put on and take off. And they have the storage bag so you don't lose your bracelets. And we have a beautiful these are glass beads too. It says love, teach, inspire. Excellent gifts for educators. Excellent. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Love, teach, inspire. Love it. So I'm gonna put all my bracelets on. Except the gift one. I'm not gonna put the gift one on. All my bling on. So pretty. Oh my god. This one here. This one right here. Look, watch people try to steal my custom. Can't tell me that's not tight. Look at that. Beads, beads, beads over here, beads over there, beads everywhere. So make sure you check out Triumphant Creationz on Instagram. Follow her on Instagram. If you want custom pieces done, just let her know. She's awesome about giving you hookup on. As far as like, now don't be asking for no price hookup. I'm talking about hookup on like finding out what you want and giving you what you want. Look at this. Look at that. Yes. I like my bracelets. All right. So again, Triumphant bracelets. Go check her out. Support, support, support. These are amazing. You can't get these anywhere else. I mean, you probably could try to look and find them, but why do that when you can just go in a couple of clicks and get you something custom like that? Awesome. These make wonderful gifts as well. All right. So thank you for checking out this video. Taryn, thank you for my bracelets. I love them. I absolutely love them. I'm going to be rocking them. And as I rock them, I'll be shooting you pictures too, because these are the bomb. These the bomb, baby. These the bomb. All right. Y'all take care. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video with anybody who you think would be interested in getting some of these custom bracelets. Triumphant bracelets on IG. All right. Check it out. Also, don't forget the holidays are coming up. When it comes gift giving time, have an awesome rest of your week. Bye.